Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Stripe checkout page to accept online payments in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to stripe.com. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. On the left side panel, navigate to the Payments section and click on Payment Links. This feature allows you to create simple payment links that your customers can use to make quick and secure payments. Next, click on Create Payment Link to start setting up your checkout page. Begin by selecting the type of link you want to create, then choose the product you'd like to offer for payment. Once you've added your product details, move on to selecting your preferred payment methods and currency. If you want to further customize your checkout experience, click on Advanced Options. Here, you can enable additional features such as shipping details, discount codes, and special checkout behaviors. Once everything looks perfect, click on Create Link to generate your Stripe checkout link. After your link is created, simply copy it and share it wherever your customers can easily access it, whether it's your website, social media platforms, or through email newsletters. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create a professional Stripe checkout page to start receiving payments online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.